Before we get into this segment, I just want to acknowledge you look just as good blonde as a brunette. But I want you all to imagine a cream that can instantly remove your under-eye bags. It sounds way too good to be true, but all over the internet there are videos surfacing of this so-called miracle cream in action. So what are we going to do? We're going to put it to the test with our good friend Dr. Sonia Batra and Esther as well. So what is this product?
So this is a product we're going to see if it works. It's called Instantly Ageless. And the idea is that it works very quickly. And the way it works is you just need a very small amount. And then you apply it to areas where you might be a little bit puffy. And I have just looked at what's in this product, and I've looked at the ingredients. And one of them is something called argireline, which is sort of a darling in dermatology right now. It's a peptide or a protein that actually relaxes the muscle. It's also called Botox in a bottle. It's meant to relax muscle and work like Botox.
I mean, you can literally see it working as you're putting it on.
Yeah, and so it's based on what's in this, I'd be excited to see if it worked. I would assume it hopefully will.
Well, and Esther is perfect for this.
Yeah, she's perfect.
Her skin is so good. She has very few fine lines, but she clearly has those bags from herniated fat under her lower eyelid.
Exactly.
And is that wind from the fans sealing it in or something?
The other active ingredient.
It's to make her look sexier.
The other active ingredient in this is silicates, which are almost act like a clay. They're minerals, and they're making the skin sort of tighter. It should feel a little bit cold, and it's actually increasing the surface tension on the skin to push that herniated fat pad back.
So is this a put it on in the morning and it lasts all day and night, or is this a I'm going to dinner and I want to look hot, I'm putting it on right now?
Well, I think
dinner.
the immediate effect is, you'll see, hopefully really impressive, but it should last about 6 to 9 hours.
Okay.
You have to be careful, though, that if you don't apply it correctly, you can get that white,
You can get a bit of a chalky residue if you put too much. And then the other drawback is not everybody's going to react well to this product. It won't work for dark circles. It's not very likely to do much for that. And people can be allergic to these active ingredients too. So you always have to test for a contact allergy.
What I like about it, it's subtle, but there's no question you can tell the difference. You know, I think it's important that obviously this isn't permanent. It's not an unreasonably expensive treatment. I'm not sure exactly what it costs.
It's about $75 for 50 sachets for something like this. For this to work best, she's doing exactly right. You have to let it dry, and you have to actually kind of stay as motionless as possible for a good 2 to 3 minutes, because it's got to relax
I
your
will
muscles.
say, Drew was right. Esther, if you rock that fan at dinner, it looks good. So a little before and after, just to show the results here. Voila. Esther, take a look at yourself real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sounds like there may be some validity to this. Certainly, Esther, it's worked well on you. Dr. Batra, thank you, as always, for demonstrating for